Hey guys, welcome to my channel. We are having some beautiful weather here in Florida. I just got my box from Leaf and Clay, the monthly subscription. Can you believe it, guys? It's a month already since I first made one of their unboxing videos, and now this is their second one. So let's dive in and see what we got. One of my daughters is going to be helping me. She wants to open she wants to open them.
How many plants are there?
There's 3 plants.
Okay, so I can open this one?
Yes.
Gotta be careful with it.
Let me help you a little bit.
Try not to hurt the plants.
Yeah, you're not going to. Okay, now you can start rolling it. And we'll see what this is. So guys, you can go online and see what plants are going to come in that month. And I believe,
double wrap.
if you have those plants already, I believe you have a chance, if you get notified right away what's coming for that month, I think you have a chance to cancel the order if you already have it.
Oh.
So I don't have
Mommy, you showed me that picture.
I don't have the names on the paper, but I will write them right here.
Can I flip it? Oh.
Let's see what it is here. Let me just bring it up close. Okay, sorry about that. So pretty. Aren't those pretty? Oh, you almost poked it. Well, you did poke it. Look, it's got a little baby. There's a baby right there.
Oh, so cute.
It
looks like a flower.
So pretty. Okay, let's see what the next one is. Let me just take the tape off and then you can unroll it. Okay.
Well, this one doesn't have a 2 wrap.
Ooh, we saw this one online. It is so pretty. So I don't have, the only plant I have in my collection is the one I first showed you, but I do not have this.
Right there.
I know, it's so pretty. I have to look into this plant to see like what does it like, if it likes a lot of sun. How do I get it to turn this purple?
Very pretty.
Can you guys see that? So pretty.
Next plant.
Last one.
There's lots of this stuff in it.
Yeah, so I got an email letting me know that what new plants were coming in, and then I think the next day they charged
No, it's
me.
fluffy. It's fluffy.
Ooh, that's a big one.
The tips.
Oh,
the tips are purple.
Big. It's
The
so
tips are like
pretty.
What do you call it? It's like a pinkish purple.
Look, it's like 2 plants, right?
Yes.
So pretty. I know. I love those colors. See how fuzzy they are?
Can I fuzz it?
Yeah, you can touch it.
Fuzzy.
So pretty. Well, thank you guys for watching. So this is my monthly subscription for Leaf and Clay, and thank you to my daughter Zuriel that she helped me. I hope you guys have a blessed day, and stay tuned because I do have some new projects in the works. I am getting a new greenhouse, so yeah, stay tuned for that. Bye guys.